A change has already begun, even if you cannot see it yet. I am not speaking about something far away. I am declaring what is already unfolding. The season you have known as delay is loosening. The weight that slowed movement is lifting. The pause that tested you is reaching its end. I speak now because timing has shifted. Not abruptly, not emotionally, but deliberately. I announce movement where there was stillness. I announce response where there was silence. I announce release where restraint once stood. What felt held back is no longer confined. I command the atmosphere around your life to change. Let resistance thin. Let stagnation dissolve. Let withheld progress release now. This waiting did not weaken you. It shaped you, and now it releases you. I address the quiet frustration you carried without words, the questions you learned to live with, the patience that stretched beyond comfort. None of it was wasted. I declare that effort stored in silence is now activated. What was delayed is not diminished. What waited is not late. What paused is not forgotten. I am ending the season where your faith was tested by time. Now hear what is shifting. I command momentum to return. Where movement felt slow, I accelerate progress. Where doors resisted, I loosen hinges. Where answers stalled, I release response. You will feel it first before you see it. A subtle easing, a quiet opening, a sense that things no longer require force. This is alignment restoring flow. I remove the pressure you lived under. You no longer need to carry expectancy with strain. You no longer need to survive on endurance alone. The next season will not demand the same fight. I declare restoration of rhythm. Things begin to move at the pace they were always meant to. You are no longer stuck between preparation and promise. I am closing the space between waiting and arrival. Let the emotional weight of delay lift now. You are not behind. You are not overlooked. You are not misaligned. You are precisely where release meets readiness. I command progress to respond to you, not because you demand it, but because the season allows it. I shift how outcomes form. What once required effort will now require presence. What once took endurance will now take awareness. This is not sudden favor. This is earned timing. Now listen carefully. Why now? Because you are not the same person who entered this waiting. You grew quietly. You matured inwardly. You learned restraint without losing desire. Your strength became stable. Your hope became grounded. Your expectations became clean. You can now sustain what you asked for. This is why the delay ends now. I do not release what overwhelms you. I release what you can carry in peace. Your capacity expanded while nothing seemed to move. That expansion matters. I waited until clarity replaced desperation, until trust replaced urgency, until alignment replaced striving. And now I speak release. I command progress to step forward. Let stalled areas respond. Let frozen plans thaw. Let unfinished matters resolve. You are stepping into a season where movement confirms faith. Not all at once, not chaotically, but steadily. I remove the residue of disappointment. What did not happen before will not poison what happens next. I cleanse expectation. You will not enter this new season guarded. You will enter aware. I restore confidence without arrogance, hope without pressure, trust without tension. You will notice things fall into place without explanation. That is timing honoring patience. I command restoration where delay drains strength. Let energy return. Let focus sharpen. Let anticipation feel safe again. Your waiting season does not define you. Your response to it prepared you. Now I speak forward motion. You will not miss what opens next. You will not arrive confused. You will not need to rush. The door opens at the pace of peace. I remove fear that delay will repeat. This was a season, not a pattern. I end cycles that overstayed their purpose. You are not meant to relive this again. I establish continuity. What begins now builds forward. Let your heart rest. You are not catching up. You are stepping in. I command your inner world to agree with this shift. Let hope rise without anxiety. Let expectation form without strain. I settle your spirit. This next movement does not require explanation. It will be evident. It will be stable. It will last. Remain steady. The waiting has completed its work. The release has begun. And what unfolds next will arrive with clarity, strength, and peace.